Is your roof hurricane ready? Call the experts at Parlament Roofing for a quality roof replacement at a price you can afford. They install shingle, metal, and insulated roofs for flat roofs or mobile homes. Parlament makes it easy with next day installation, lifetime warranty, no money down, in-house no-hassle financing, and easy monthly payment. Call now and mention code word PROOFCO1, and for a limited time, get $1,000 off your new roof. Call Parlament Roofing now for a quick and easy estimate. Nobody puts a quality roof on for less. Nobody!